National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monroe County in southeastern Michigan, northeastern Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near the county, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Milan around 2:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Ridgeway, Cone, Azalea, Macon, and Holloway. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee, and Monroe. The service in Detroit.